How's it going, everybody? Martin with Belver Auto Spa. Quick video here. This is not a sponsored video. This is a video I'm doing on my own. I say that because one of the recent videos of Vonixx I came out with, and some future videos from Vonixx, are going to be sponsored by DetailGround, and I'll let you know in the video when it is a sponsored video. This isn't a sponsored video. However, DetailGround did send me some more stuff to do more videos with, both sponsored and unsponsored. So I was just going to go ahead and do the unboxing here with you guys. So these are all the products I've already had, minus the iron remover, because I've already used that all up, so it's not here anymore. However, so here is what I got. This is from, this is the box that DetailGround shipped it in, so it's cool that they got Vonixx branded boxes. That's pretty nice. It's got Vonixx's website on it, which their website is in Portuguese because it's a Brazilian company. But anyways, I just want to show you the box. So what I got in the box here, they sent me a nice big jug of Sintra interior cleaner. I've been using this stuff, as you can see, it's right there. So I appreciate sending me more. I love the smell of this stuff. It is antibacterial as well, so it's a pretty good interior cleaner, and it smells great. Nice, like fresh, clean scent. I always like to say it smells like you're doing laundry. Now you get those like nice, clean linen scents when you're doing laundry, kind of like that. Pretty nice smell. Next, they sent me Delet, which is a tire and rubber cleaner. So Delet reminded me a lot of Car Pro Retire with the way it smells and looks. So we'll see if it'll perform the same. So we'll do a few test videos with it, see how this cleans tires off. And I do like how on their cleaning chemicals they do put the pH on here. So this is a, these are both alkaline. This one a little bit more so than this one, so they are alkaline, but this is safe on interiors. Obviously don't spray it on interior in the direct sunlight or if it's hot, but and this is good on tires and rubber, so you can clean your seals, your trim, your tires, obviously, your floor mats, if you got rubber floor mats, so it'll work pretty good on that. So I'll be interested to see how this works. Tiago at DetailGround told me that this stuff is really good, so I'm going to have to take his word on it, and we'll see how that works out. And then I've got Synergy Wheel. So I've already got Synergy paint coating here. The video for that is already up. Synergy paint coating, really super easy to use, up to 1 year. Carbon siloxy paint coating, so it's like a carbon silicone blend. Paint coating, smells great, works great, very easy to use. So Synergy Wheel is essentially the same product, but in a formulation for wheels. Should go on the wheels really easily. This will last up to 6 months on your wheels, but it'll make your wheels much easier to clean. You don't have to put in as much elbow grease. Brake dust isn't really going to embed itself in there. So we'll see how this stuff works. And then last but not least, they sent me, knock over the box, hold on. They sent me v-plastic. Plastic ceramic coating. Says it protects for up to 3 years, probably longer depending on how you take care of your vehicle. But this doesn't just protect, it restores plastic trim as well. So the plastic will absorb this coating. It'll give it that nice, deep, rich look again, and keep it protected. I'll go ahead and open this up, show you what comes inside. So we've got the 2 foam applicators. And you can probably, you don't need to wrap a cloth around this to apply it to trim. Just use that directly. And then we've got a nice 50 milliliter bottle, and they give you 2 nice stickers in there. And there's no pamphlet information. That's because the instructions are, that's actually in Portuguese. Let's see here. Right here. Instructions are in English. Right on the bottle, as well as information on the back of the packaging. So there you go, save some paper there by not printing out more stuff, and you can just print it on the labels, right? Alright, anyways, that's all I got. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Let me know what you're most excited to see. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a series of, or I already am, doing a series of videos with DetailGround that is they're going to be sponsored. I'm going to be doing unsponsored videos as well, just testing products out. So we'll have a nice mix in there, see how it all does. But that's all I got for you guys in the video. Now check out below the discount. I've got a discount to DetailGround, 10% off. They carry Vonixx, they carry CarPro, Griots, Rupes, just about every name brand on there. So they've been a great company so far. Happy to be working with them. So definitely be sure to check them out. But I lost my train of thought. Now I sound dumb. All right, well, that's all I got, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Keep them clean. Have a good one.